I pretty much finished off the top level of the kitchen cabinets. I thought, oh, this time I'll just go over it wherever the paint was worn and around the handles. I took the handles off and cleaned it all out. It wasn't too bad. A lot of Fruit Loops and cereal and salt and pepper and sugar, different things were spilled in it. So anyway, I wiped all that off and painted it all. And then when I went back to it, I realized I painted with the wrong paint. Look at it. I thought, oh, well, I'll try to get away with it this time from painting it again. I did paint these once, inside and out, but I have this can of paint. Then I found this can of paint right next to it, but turned around. I forgot that I was going to use this porch and patio paint for in the basement. So it shouldn't take too much to go back over it. But look inside. Well, you can clearly see where I painted. Like I said, first time around, I went around all the door handles really good and thought, oh, well, people are painting rental property and their own houses with porch and floor paint, so maybe that's what I did. Evidently not. I got it all covered. It took me about 45 minutes, and in that time I can already tell that the sides of the cabinets where I started are blending in. I did the tops and all the shelving and around the edges of the doors. So I'll come back tomorrow and see what it looks like and see what I missed. And if not, I call this cabinet painting job done. Alright guys, be sure to look for the other videos at the 1939 house, and I will see you in the next one.